Hey, thanks for stopping in this morning. I wanted to show you this Canva hack that I thought many people knew about, but apparently they don't, so I wanted to go through this with you. Um, Let me just show you an example. Let's pop over to templates, and we're going to find a template that has a lot of color. We'll go with this one. Okay, so go ahead and click Customize this template. And on the left hand side, make sure your brand hub is up. Good. And we're just going to choose one of the flowers here. And you can see that if we click on like this pink color, let's say we want to make this dark pink like a purple. Let's say we want to do that to both of them. There we go. Um, so what we're going to do is we want all of those flowers that are that color to be that dark purple now. Right here, you can click change all, and it's going to change all of them. And I actually forgot to do that to that other purple one I just did here. And I should have done that first. Let's just go back. I can show you again. Yeah, I was actually surprised that not everyone knew about this. Oh, I see. So these two pinks are different colors. That's why they have it like that. So go ahead and click the purple, change all, and then go ahead to the pink, darker pink next to it, do the purple again, change all, and there we go. And now let's say we don't like this yellow color. We can edit that as well, doing the same exact thing. So super cool. Let's say we want to make the dots of the in here like a different color. Let's make it black just for something different. Click change all, and it's going to only change these white flowers to black. Oh, I guess it didn't. It changed these too. Oh, that's cool. I am not super excited about that color, so let's go with blue. Oh, that's kind of fun. So, of course, then now this green doesn't match, so we have to change the background of the green as well. Anyways, just thought I'd play around with that and show you guys about the change all feature. Super helpful when creating any type of design. Thank you so much for watching.